Medical emergencies can strike at any time, and without the right insurance, they can leave you financially drained. But with the right medical insurance plan, you can have peace of mind knowing you're covered when it matters most. Welcome to Step-by-Step Insurance, your trusted partner in finding the best medical insurance solutions in Kenya. Our goal? To guide you step by step in choosing the right insurance plan for you and your loved ones. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on choosing the best medical insurance plan in Kenya, so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. First things first, what is medical insurance? Medical insurance is a policy that covers your healthcare expenses, ensuring you don't have to pay out of pocket for hospital visits, medication, or even surgeries. In Kenya, there are three main types of medical insurance plans. Individual insurance, ideal for freelancers or self-employed individuals covering their personal medical needs. Family insurance, a cost-effective way to ensure your entire household is protected. Group insurance, often provided by employers, offering comprehensive benefits for employees. A good medical insurance plan should include inpatient and outpatient coverage, maternity and emergency services, chronic illness management, specialist consultations, and diagnostic tests. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to how you can choose the right plan. Before you choose a plan, you need to assess your needs. Ask yourself, do I have any pre-existing conditions that need coverage? How often do I or my family visit the hospital? Do I need maternity coverage or chronic illness care? Next, set a budget. Medical insurance comes at different price points, so determine how much you can comfortably afford while ensuring adequate coverage. If you have a family, consider a plan that covers your spouse and children to avoid extra costs later. Now let's compare different insurance providers. Some of the top insurers in Kenya include Jubilee Insurance, offers flexible plans for different budgets. AAR Insurance, ideal for outpatient and wellness coverage. Britam, APA, CIC Insurance, provide various medical coverage options tailored to your needs. When comparing plans, focus on these key factors. Coverage, what medical services are included. Premium costs, how much do you pay monthly or annually? Hospital network, does the plan cover hospitals near you? Exclusions, what's not covered in the policy? And if you're unsure, our experts at Step-by-Step Insurance are here to help. We compare plans for you and help you find the best fit for your needs. Once you've selected a plan, it's time to enroll. Here's what you need: national ID or passport, KRA PIN for employer-based plans, medical history records if required, and a filled-out enrollment form. With Step-by-Step Insurance, you can apply online or visit our offices to get personalized assistance. Now that you're covered, how do you use your insurance? Most insurance providers work with a cashless system, meaning you only need to present your card at a partner hospital. For hospitals outside the network, you might need to pay upfront and claim reimbursement later. Always keep medical receipts and reports. Your plan may cover hospitalization, surgeries, medication, specialist consultations, and maternity care. But beware of exclusions. Some plans don't cover pre-existing conditions, elective surgeries, or alternative medicine. Waiting periods are the time you must wait before certain benefits of your medical insurance become available. For example, maternity benefits might have a waiting period of 9 months, while coverage for pre-existing conditions could have a waiting period of 1 to 2 years. Always check the waiting periods in your policy to avoid surprises. If you ever have issues with claims, reach out to our team at Step-by-Step Insurance, and we'll guide you through the process. Medical insurance is a safety net for your health and finances. Take the time to choose the right plan and secure your future today. For more details, visit our website or socials at Step-by-Step Insurance or call us today. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insurance and financial tips.